how to use leverage on trading 212. That is really actually to be satisfied as a question that should be really absolutely understood through what we are looking for and how we can start to deal with that, still to be really satisfied for some informations that can be really about it, which is really to be going on with that situation or section, that I can give you that. So every single progress and every single moment that it can be really dealt with that. So my opinion about it is to go for the trading here and start to go for the trading section or position details. Started to know what leverage levels that you would like to apply. You go for knowing now how to leverage on Google, how to leverage on trading 212, change leverage, increase leverage, do leverage, add leverage, how much leverage. Every kind of questions can be really dealt with that, and that is really my opinion for what you are looking for. To know how you use leverage. Leverage is kind of the profit that you get it from the trading 212 support itself, and not from the earning that you are dealing from people money, and that's all about to help you